Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 6.3, 12th and 13th problem. Okay, first 12th problem, sides AB, BC and median clear, of a triangle ABC, are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and the median PM of a triangle PQR. That is given in the question. They said that the sides are proportional. And you have to show that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. You have to prove that it is similar. So first, what you have to write, Kana? Given. You have to write given. What is given? Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Since the sides are proportional, I can write that AB is proportional to PQ, isn't it? AB is proportional to the side PQ. So AB proportional to PQ. AB divided by PQ. Is equal to BC. The side BC is proportional to QR and the median AD divided by proportional to divided by PM. Clear all of you? So the sides AB, BC and the median AD proportional to the sides PQ, QR and the median PM. So from the question, I found that AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR and AD divided by PM from the given. Clear? And then what we have to prove? To prove that triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. How we can prove that the two triangles are similar? If we have to use the criterions yes, A, yes, 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 yes or A. We can use these criterions to prove it is similar. Okay. So which criterion will apply for this formula? Can you guess? Okay. First I am going to take A. First I am going to take angle A. All the three angles must be equal. They didn't said anything about the angle. So I can't apply this similarity criterion. So I cancelled that one. And then yes means the two sides are proportional. In the triangle ABC, AB is proportional to PQ and BC is proportional to QR. So these two sides are proportional. We can tell that one. Two sides are proportional. Two sides are in proportion. That we can tell. But what about the third side? to prove yes, the three sides must be in proportion. We know that the two sides are in proportion, but we don't know about the third side. And we can't find that also. How we can tell that if the two sides are equal, we can tell the third side also must be proportional? No, we can't tell it. Okay. So, we can't take this criterion also. This criteria also we can't take. So, the remaining is yes, yes. The remaining is yes, yes. Here, they didn't mention anything about angle. No, the two sides, we know that the two sides must be equal. Anyway, we have to use this criteria only to prove the two triangles are similar. How we can prove? We know that the two sides are similar. We know that the two sides are similar and one included angle. Which one is the included angle? For this side AB and BC, what is the included angle? Which one is the included angle? AB, angle B is included angle, and for this triangle Q is included angle. But we can't say it is equal, no. We have to prove how it is equal. That is important. How we can prove that this is equal, the two angles are equal? How we can prove that one? That is important. How we can prove? One more thing. In the given, they said that AD is proportional to PM. So, this side and this side is equal. But we don't know about this side and this side. If we proved that this also equal means, we can tell that this triangle, these two triangles are similar, and we can tell that in the similar triangle, angles are equal. In the two similar triangles, angles are equal. Angle B, angle Q. Then we can tell that both are equal. So, we have to prove that this triangle and this triangle is similar. How we can prove that these two triangles are similar? I know that this is equal, this is proportional, and this one also proportional. How we can tell that this is proportional? In the given, they said that BC is proportion. BC and Q are in proportion. If this is, for example, I am telling, this is median, midpoint of BC. If this is 10 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter. If this is 20 means, if this is 20 centimeter, proportion only, no. So, I am not going to take a 10 itself, I am going to take 20. If this is 20 means this is 10 and this is 10. So, it is in same proportion. What proportion? That 5 divided by 10 proportion. 5 divided by 10 proportion. So, we can tell that these two sides also equal. But we can't, this is our assumption only. But we have to prove how it is equal, no? See here. Proof. So, first what we have to prove, triangle ABD is similar to the triangle PQM. If we said that these two triangles are similar means, we can tell that the sides are in proportion. Okay. For that, I am going to take the given AB divided by PQ, BC divided by QR, AD divided by PM. It is given. This is given. So, BC, QR. So, instead of BC, in the previous problem, I divided the angle by 1 by 2, no? This is a midpoint. If the whole side is 10 centimeter means this must be 5 centimeter. So, I can divide this BC by 2. Remaining thing, write as it is, half BC divided by half of QR. So half of BC means what? BD. Half of BC is BD. Half of QR is QM. Half of QR is QM. So we can change. Instead of BC, we can change BD, and instead of QR, I can change QM with including half. Clear all of you? So I can write AB divided by PQ is equal to BD divided by QM is equal to AD divided by PM. So all the sides are proportional. All the sides are proportional. Since all the sides are in proportion, I can tell that the triangle, so in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, corresponding sides are in proportional. Okay, then we can tell that triangle BD is similar to the triangle PQM. It is similar to the triangle by yes similarity criterion. Clear all of you? Okay, now we proved that these two triangles are similar. Next, what we have to prove? Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Since the triangle ABD is similar to the triangle PQM, similar, we can tell that angle B, remaining sides you can write like this easily. Okay, then angle Q we have to mention, remaining sides remaining vertex we can write like this. Okay, so the angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. So now we proved that these two angles are equal. Okay, now what we have to prove? That the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. That triangle I am going to take now. That only we have to prove, no? In triangle, first we have to take ABC and triangle PQR. Angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. This one we proved. Mark this as 2. From 2, that is second equation. From the sides are in proportion, no? That also we have to tell. How the sides are in proportion? AB is proportional to PQ and BC is proportional to QR. It is given in the question itself. See the given AB proportional to PQ, that is AB proportional to PQ and BC proportional to QR. BC proportional to QR. The two sides are in proportion. That we can write here. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. From given. So by SAS similarity criterion, we can tell that the two triangles are similar. Are you all clear, Kana? So we proved that these two triangles are similar, then easily we can tell that angle B and angle Q are equal in the similar triangle. Then we can take the full triangle. Already in the given, AB is proportional to PQ and BC is proportional to QR. And now we proved that one included angle is also equal by SAS criterion, similarity criterion. We proved that the two triangles are similar by SAS. Clear all of you? Thank you. Namaste students. Next 13th problem in the exercise 6.3. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that the angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So D is a point on the side BC. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC, such that they have given one thing, ADC. Where is ADC? Here it is, ADC, and BAC, the full angle BAC. The two angles are equal. Then we have to show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. First you have to write given. First write and then I will tell how we can prove this theorem. Okay. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC, then and another thing is the angle ADC is equal to BAC, that is given in the question itself. Then to prove that, what we have to prove? CA square is equal to CB into CD. Till now we proved that the two triangles are similar and we proved that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Like this, the angles are equal. Like that only we proved, no? This time this is totally different. CA square is equal to CB into CD. This is different? No, this is not different. We can write this CA square, CA into CA. Okay, CA square is equal to CA into CA and CB into CD. CA, already we have one CA here and I am going to write this CA to the left hand side. CD to the left hand side denominator, and CB, already we have CB in the right hand side, and I am going to shift one CA to the right hand side denominator. CA. See, this is one, this is different? No, this is not different. We have to tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. So, which two triangles we have to take to prove that the sides, corresponding sides are in proportion? The two triangles only we have to find. Which two triangles we have to find? From the prove only, I am going to find which triangle I am going to choose. Where is CA? This is CA, that is full angle. And then CD. Where is CD? This is CD. So first triangle must be based on the side AC and CD. Which triangle we can take for this kana? Based on the corresponding side AC and DC, we can take ADC, this triangle. ADC, this triangle we can take. Clear, Dakana? From the proof that only I found that the corresponding sides must be proportion. If we prove that the sides are in proportion, means I can tell this one and I can prove this one. So in the reverse order I am going. Okay. For that we have to choose the triangles. Which two triangle we have to take. That is very important. So now I found that one triangle is ADC. And one more triangle we have to find, no? Which triangle? Based on CB, that is full angle. CB, and again AC, and again AC. Okay, so based on these two sides, we have to choose the triangle. So which triangle we have to choose? ABC, full triangle only we have to choose. Full triangle only we have to choose. Okay, if we said that these two triangles are similar, means I can tell that the corresponding sides are equal. If I proved that corresponding sides are in proportion, means I can tell that AC square is equal to AB into CD. It is very easy. Clear all of you? Now start our proof. First, which two triangle you are going to take? Triangle. First triangle is ADC, and the next one is BAC. BAC. Since angle D is equal to angle A, for that I have taken in the order, correct order, D in the place of A. Clear? It must be in order only. It should not change. Okay. Then angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, that is given in the question itself. That is given in the question itself. And one more thing we have to prove, no? We have to choose by which similarity criterion we have to prove that the two triangles are similar. No? Yes, 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 yeah. If we have 90 degree, means we can take RHS also. So which similarity criterion we can use? Which similarity criterion we can use, Kana? See here, they didn't mention anything about the side. They didn't mention, they didn't give anything in given about the sides. Isn't it? We have to prove that the corresponding sides are in proportion. We have to prove that the corresponding sides are in proportion. We only have to prove. They didn't give anything about the side. So we can't choose the sides. This one, yes, similarity criterion, and yes, similarity criterion. And we can't use RHS also. We can use AAA only, similarity criterion only. Instead of this AAA, we can approve AA similarity criterion also. Already I said about the AA criterion now. So instead of AAA, we can prove AA similarity criterion. So we know that the one angle is equal. So one more angle we have to prove. Which angle we can prove? Which angle we can prove? See here, see the figure carefully. Both the colors, orange color and blue color, combined in one angle, that is C, is common. Angle C is common in both. Angle C is equal to angle C. In the place of C, we have in the place of. So both the angles are equal. So angle C, angle C. A, D, B, A. Clear? That is common. Now I can tell that by AA similarity criterion, triangle ADC is similar to the triangle BAC, is similar to the triangle BAC. So we proved that the two triangles are similar. Now we can tell that the corresponding sides, since triangle ADC is similar to the triangle BAC, we can tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Or in proportion. Okay. The corresponding side is AC CD is equal to CB divided by CA. CB divided by CA. And then cross multiply. We can change this one also. Okay, CA. Instead of AC, we can write CA. CD is equal to CB divided by CA. Now cross multiply it. CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. So the final answer is CA square is equal to CB into CD. So we proved that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Clear all of you? Is there any doubt? First, from the given or from the prove, we have to we have to be very clear that which triangle we have to take, which two triangle we have to take, and by which criterion we have to prove. If we clear in this 4 criterion, then definitely we can solve the problems easily. Thank you.